Um, we have managed to settle down as a commission. Actually, we came in office when everything was already happening towards the elections. As you remember, we came in when voter registration was ongoing, and we didn't even have time to sit. But now we have settled, and we are moving on. So 100 days, yes, but as far as I, as chairman, is concerned, my focus is on the 8th August election. I really didn't have time to even count the 100 days. I want to tell you that from the time we came in up to now, we have managed to put all systems in place and we are ready for the elections. Maybe just to mention a few, when we came in, the issue of compliance with technology, that's compliance with Section 44 of the Elections Act, was still in limbo. The procurement had not been done. Now we have procured the necessary gadgets for the elections. That includes the verification exercise due to commence on the 10th of May to 10th of June. In June itself, we are going to have all the kits available to carry out simulation tests, which are required for purposes of knowing whether the system will comply with the results transmission in August. And so in terms of technology, we are ready. Our staff are training. As up to now, training is ongoing on the technology, training on the regulations. You remember last year, Parliament came up with several sets of new regulations. New laws, which we have, Commission has come up with 5 regulations, and all the staff are being trained on all the regulations related to the elections. And so all other aspects, I've mentioned technology, I've mentioned human resource, all the other aspects are ready, all procurements are being done, and we are ready for elections come August. I think according to my knowledge, as we speak right now, most of the cases have been resolved. The only cases I see remaining, perhaps those which there are no orders which stop us from meeting our timelines. And so if there are any other cases pending, there are no orders in force which stop us from achieving our timelines. So I think the challenge of court cases is not in the way for our success in giving Kenyans the elections in August. Ballot paper case, yes, the court gave orders cancelling the tender, and that means that the commission went back to the drawing board, and we have re-advertised the tender. It's ongoing. The process of evaluation will be starting soon, and therefore we hope to have ballot papers in place in very good time before the elections. Remember, ballot papers actually are required at the last minute when voting is ongoing, or rather for purpose of voting. So we are in time for procurement of ballot papers. Yes, we are prepared for verification of voters in 2 aspects. One, verification will be done by way of the device, the gadget which we have acquired. We have sufficient kits to carry out the verification in all the registration centers countrywide. We have 11,000 kits. We shall deploy 10,000 to the registration centers, and 1,000 will be on standby in case of any backup required. And secondly, we have the registers, the draft registers are ready, and they'll be rolled out. The data for verification actually is being input, the input is being done in the same kits. And so that's ongoing, and by 10th of May, everything will be ready for verification countrywide.